Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last 2 or 3 videos we have seen how we can build this front end for Spring Boot REST API. Here get is working, here insert post is working. Now we are going for update. So what we have to do, just start here. I need to create one more component here, and I say update student dot JSX, and here I create imrc cc and give here name update student. Remember that this all are same for insert and update, so go to the insert and try to copy all. This all are same for updating and everything. Just copy this and we will modify as per this. So here I copy this and in update here I go there and I paste and I save this. So here I need to pass this and this, save it. So all done. Now I need to modify as per the update. So here I have same record, same information, but here I need to put because put is used for updating information. Here I say record updated, like this. Then same we have, here I say update student information, student ID, everything we have, student ID, name change, everything we have. Then insert student button, we should put update student. Then close we have same, no problem at all. So everything is completed just in a minute. Placeholder, everything is okay. We have did the put request here, we pass the data, record updated. Now here in REST API we need to again use this, copy this all and I need to paste after this button here. So in place of post I say put, and here in place of insert student I need to call update student. Close insert I need to call update close update, and here in a button on click I need to pass here this dot open update. Save this, open update and close update method. Here also I need to call close update. And what I do, very simple, copy this, paste this, then open update, then close update, then put here put in place of post, put here put, save this. Update is not defined, no problem. And here we can say import update student, save this. Axios is not defined, go to update. Here also import XUse library. Save this. Everything is done. Good news, click here. We have update student information. Close it. Fail to close. Okay, we will replace this method. So I replace it, the name. So what is the name? That is a close update. Save this. Done, I think. Close it, close it. Now we need to update information. So here in get information we see first one, second one is Sachin Tewatia MCA. We change it to Sachin Tewatia to MTech. Close this. Then we have update. So what I do here, I say second ID Sachin Tewatia, and in place of MCA I say it as PhD. Update student, you see update recorded. Close this, get it, and we have PhD in place of MCA. Done. So very simple. Get is working, insert is working, update is working, you see, and we will do for delete in next video. So that's all in this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.